Maybe you'll have to stretch further than you've ever stretched before. Expand your thinking. Maybe you'll have to stretch. Develop more capacity to believe. Maybe you'll have to stretch. Have faith. Here's a quality we all need: vision. To be able to see clearly the day, see clearly the month. People who see more clearly take more bold steps. If you're in a dark room and you can't see very well, you take little small steps. Why? Because you're not sure. The more sure, confident, the more visionary you become, the more bolder your steps, the longer your stride, the